asuntoskeittiösaton vuoksi.
This is very amazing. Today on the 8th of December 2022, this is on Aallonhuippu, walked up in 7 staircase B. We could go to the staircase A soon. Hopefully it is the same code.
Yeah.
It should be. It's in Kivenlahti, Espoo, Espoo region, modernized Finland. It's one of the last of the way just to be filmed here as soon as possible.
Yeah.
We've got only 7 left, or after the other one it's 6. 6 left here in the city district next to the Kivenlahti metro station. Oh, I love this interior here, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
It was built in late 1971, finished 1972, MP8 inside. The number is 25548, no, 25546, but still MP8 car buttons here.
Yeah.
Kone logo, gonna be expecting it 2024, turned 50 years old in the last year, 2021. Also this has 2 rides.
Yeah.
Well, these are like the earlier Asia Graham kind of things ones.
Yeah.
Of course. Unfortunately, these are going to be badly modernized in spring 2023. So
yeah.
These are the last rides
yeah.
in them, in these 2. I believe the building 5 is then from the beginning of 1971. Yeah. Because this is late 71 through 72.
Niissä pitääkin vain maintain passilla.
Yeah. Here inside that's actually the Svanescence. The 4th official language is Swedish and Finnish.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the building 5 still has all the buttons and 6 inside, so that's why it's also at the beginning of 1970 in the building 5.
That's